Whether you're managing employee hours and compensation, processing job applications, onboarding and training new hires, managing employee benefits, or conducting performance reviews, HR is a business function that influences every aspect of your business. Having the right software in place not only streamlines and simplifies your HR functions, but also produces quantifiable results you can use to improve your processes, from hiring and training to benefits and industry compliance. Is your current HR system lacking the advanced features and tools you need for efficient and effective HR processes? The best way to decide what's holding back your HR department is to gather feedback from employees, including your HR team and other key managers and influencers in your company. In addition to understanding your HR software needs, have you considered whether you want to deploy a proprietary system with your own servers, or simply purchase a cloud-based solution? The size of your company is one of the biggest factors that will influence your decision. For example, if you're a small to medium-sized company, a cloud-based solution may be your best option. If you want to give your employees mobile apps and self-service tools to apply for leaves, manage benefits, or monitor 401ks, you'll need a platform that's dynamic, real-time, and accessible on the go. Let's not forget one of the most integral deliverables from HR, performance reviews. Data science is a hot topic, and with the help of AI and machine learning, you can analyze all the data in your HR system to improve employee performance and streamline HR duties.
Yay!
As you research HR solutions, find out what others have to say about the software options you've shortlisted by reading reviews from businesses that are similar to your own. Does this process sound daunting or time-consuming? We can simplify it for you. At Wheelhouse, you can search, compare, and decide which HR software solutions are ideal depending on your company's specific needs. Simply visit our website, select HR from the menu, filter your preferences, and get in touch. So visit www.wheelhouse.com right now to select the perfect HR software for your business.